A Welding Procedure Specification, or WPS, is a vital document in welding, acting as a precise recipe for consistent, high-quality welds. It outlines all necessary parameters and variables to ensure structural integrity and performance, as seen in this example, WPS 02. The Joints section specifies the butt joint type, crucial for proper fit-up, ensuring the structural integrity of the components being joined. Under base metals, the WPS identifies the materials as IS-277 to IS-277 with a thickness of 1.6 millimeters, critical for selecting the correct welding approach. The electrical characteristics detail DC-EP polarity, a current range of 70 to 90 amps, and a voltage range of 18 to 22 volts, directly impacting weld quality. This WPS also specifies the use of AWS A5.18 ER70S6 filler wire and a 2G position for butt joints, ensuring precise application. The completed weld sample, as shown here, demonstrates adherence to these specifications, ensuring consistent and qualified results. ARC Welding Company possesses extensive expertise in developing and implementing WPS documents, ensuring compliance and optimal welding performance. For further inquiries and to learn how we can assist your welding needs, please contact us at arcweldingcompany@gmail.com.